welcome back to my channel. If you're already subscribed, welcome back and hello. And if you're not subscribed, welcome. If you are a natural or a straight natural, then you know sometimes you have to give your hair a break. So this is how I give my hair a break. With these boho knotless braids, I did them myself. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to keep your curls in your boho knotless braids from tangling. And some people say that human hair, they don't tangle as bad. And I've heard some people say that human hair tangles just as bad as synthetic hair. I have synthetic hair in my hair. You can keep your curls looking just as fresh as human hair, or just as fresh as the first day that you got them done, if you do what I'm about to show you next in this video. I had these boho knotless braids in my hair for about a week now. You can use every day on your braids if you want to give your braids a little bit more life. I'm just getting over this cold, so I still sound a hot mess. A little bit of gel, not even a lot. Better if you do it like as soon as you get the style done. But even with it being a little bit frizzy, you guys can see how it defines the curl. And with some of the pieces, you may have to use a brush if you are able to get through the curl and you want it to look super sleek. And you can take the brush and just go over it. Yeah, this is basically what we do. So the rest of this video I'm going to speed up in a time lapse, but you guys are still going to see what I'm doing, okay? So I just wanted to show you guys the difference. Okay, so this side I have not worked on yet, and this side I have been putting the gel on. It's a huge difference. As you can see, this side is frizzy. They're sticking together. The curly pieces are sticking onto the braids. And over here, the curls are more defined. You can rub your fingers through them. And if you try to do this, they kind of get stuck a little bit. So yes. And it stays this way even after the gel dries. All right, y'all, so I am done putting the gel on my curly pieces. As you can see, the curls are more defined. I had this wrapped around my head, of course, because I had to do my little edges and put my mousse on top just to contain the flyaway. So I'm going to take this off and show you guys what it looks like finished. And like I said, this is a one-time thing, so you don't have to do this every day with your curls unless you end up washing your hair, because of course you'll end up washing the gel out of your hair. Edge is laid. But this is how it looks. So you can see curls are defined. They're not sticking to each other. You can rub your fingers through them on both sides like yay, and I couldn't do that before because they were so sticking together. And as you can see, when you pull them apart, the curls are still attached to each other instead of sticking to the braids and other pieces of curly hair. So yeah, this is how you maintain your curly pieces, especially if you have synthetic hair, because as they say, synthetic hair likes to tangle very easily. So if you put a little gel on your hair, like I said, I use the Eco Styler gel. This is all you do. I'm gonna stand back so you guys can get a better view. And this is how it looks. So this is how it looks finished. These are my boho knotless braids. And if you guys want to see a video or tutorial of how to do this style, then leave that down in the comment section below, and I will eventually do this style again, and I'll show you guys how to do this style. Yeah. As far as the time length of these braids and the amount of time that you want to leave them in, it varies because some people say they only leave them in for like 2 weeks. And some people I've heard say they leave them in for like 2 and 3 months. So it really just all depends. And I think it has a lot to do with the size of your knotless braids as well. Also, the way that you maintain your braids and upkeep them, which is why this technique that I showed you guys with the gel will help you be able to maintain the look of your boho knotless braids so they don't start looking frizzy and old and crusty and dusty and all this stuff. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys leave comments and questions and things like that, so I will start trying to post more often. But thank you guys for watching this video, and y'all have a great weekend whatever day it is that you watch this video.